welcome to my channel MV Craftsness. This is how I planned my daughter's birthday party in this pandemic. I first made the invitations using Add Text to Photos free app on iPhone and sent them in WhatsApp. And I baked the cake with tips from my friends and allrecipes.com, a chocolate cake, and put it for baking. The foil is to keep them straight, not make it bumpy. And then I made a cake board using the basket kind of thing I got from Costco. And then I cut it a big circle and added foil on top. Voila! The cake board is ready with zero cost. Baking is done. Let it cool before we add the sugar syrup to keep it moist all the time. And after adding the sugar syrup, I made the chocolate frosting with cocoa powder and butter, and then put it on it and smoothened it. I'm gonna tell you, this is my first time baking a cake. And then I covered it with pink frosting, which my daughter loves a lot. Decorated with the store-bought flowers and gem. Time for decorations. The day before night, I decorated with ribbons, rhinestones, stickers, and beads and chains. I ordered the ribbons and sequin tablecloth and the number balloons and the banner from Amazon. You can see the sequin tablecloth worked perfectly with the decorations I had planned, and there she go. That's her 6th birthday party. Time for party. Yay! I took the banner and I put it outside. This is how I surprised her with the toys, unwrapped this time, and I put the banner on the table outside to give it a more good look. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.